Hello students, in this video we will learn the concept of mobile or wireless computing. The communication over a network using wireless medium is referred as wireless computing. The wireless medium could be microwave, radio wave, infrared, and other technologies such as Wi-Fi, WiMAX, satellite communication, etc. So, a wireless communication over a network is referred as wireless computing. Some of the important terms in wireless computing are GSM. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. In GSM technology, a SIM, subscriber identification module, it is an IC. A SIM has to be switched in the mobile phones, which provides a unique telephone number. Through this telephone number, an individual device can be identified over a network. GSM works on the technology of TDMA, time division multiple access, in which a range of frequencies is available to the user on which the user can communicate within a network. Multiple users can communicate in that frequency which is available during the communication. Next term is CDMA, code division multiple access. In this technology, a broad spectrum of the frequency is available to the user for communication. User can communicate in that band with multiple calls and with high data transfer rate. We can say the quality of communication in CDMA is better than GSM because in CDMA a complete band of frequency is available for multiple calls, whereas in GSM a slot of frequency is available for the communication. Another term is WLL, wireless in local loop. We can say that it is a wireless telephony in which user can communicate with each other in a confined area. The wireless in local loop performs within a specified area which is attached to a PSTN, public switching transport network. We can say that it is a wireless telephony in which user can communicate within an area of near about 25 to 30 kilometers. Another term is GPRS, Journal Packet Radio Service. It is a standard for providing the data communication through a mobile phone in which user can download, upload, chat and perform other communication in real environment. So don't be confusing GPRS and GPS. Both are the two different things. GPRS stands for Journal Packet Radio Service and GPS stands for Global Positioning System. GPS is to identify a location by using a satellite, and GPRS is the technology for providing communication facility over mobile telephones using packet switching technology. Other terms related to mobile computing are 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. 1G technology, it is used in mobile phone communication. Basically it is based on voice grade medium. We can say that this technology is used in telephones in which we communicate with each other through voice. It is based on circuit switching technology. Another is 2G. It is a specification for wireless mobile telephony in which a low data transfer rate is provided for the user, and user can communicate with wireless technology and also can transfer the data through a network. 3G is the improved version of 2G in which the high speed of data transfer rate is provided for the user for transferring the data through a network, and the improved quality of voice communication is provided. Many technologies are used in 3G communications like EDGE, EDGE, EDGE. EDGE stands for Enhanced Data Rate for Global Evolution. This is the specification for the 3G communication over a network. Now 4G. Again, the 4G is the improved and better communication than 3G. 4G provides more data transfer rate through a network, voice quality is good, and it provides a high speed telephone connectivity through internet. The technology or the specification for 4G network is LTE, long term evolution. So these are the generations which we have seen in the mobile computing, that is 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. And nowadays people are working on next technology, that is 5G. 5G will provide a very fast data transfer rate near about 1 Gbps, 1 gigabytes per second. It provides more real-time conversation through a network by using internet. Another terms in related to mobile computing is HSPA, High Speed Packet Access. It is a specification or the technology which we used in 4G communication, in which a high speed packet, network packet is provided for the communication. It is also the specification for the 3G communication, because in the later development of the 3G, a high speed internet telephony is provided for the user with the help of this technology, HSPA. You sometimes see in your mobile phone, H is present while doing the communication. So H stands for the technique HSPA, and sometimes you find HSPA plus. So HSPA plus is the improved version of HSPA, high speed packet access. Next technology is WiMAX. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. We can say that it is a Wi-Fi communication in a large area near about 20 to 30 kilometers. Generally, The large organization which is spread in a large area, they use this technology for providing the wireless connectivity between the devices. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the wireless fidelity. It provides wireless communication in a small area, and WiMAX, it provides a wireless connectivity in a large area.